Welcome. Today we are looking at Agriculture Paper 2, Questions and Answers. Kindly subscribe. Section A, 30 marks. Answer all questions in the spaces provided. Name 4 predisposing factors to livestock diseases. Species of the animal, color of the animal, age of the animal, sex of the animal. Question 2. State 4 factors that stimulate milk letdown in a lactating cow. Sight of the milking shed, presence of the calf, sound of milking equipment, sight of the food, massaging the udder with warm water. Question 3. Name 2 methods of extracting honey from cobs. Heating, crushing and straining, using a centrifugal extraction. Question 4. State 4 factors determining the amount of water taken by an animal. Level of production, type of food eaten, species of the animal, ambient temperature, activity of the animal. Question 5. State 4 mechanical methods of controlling ticks. Plowing infested pasture, burning infested pasture, removing and killing ticks. Double fencing of pasture. Question 6. Give 4 disadvantages of inbreeding in livestock production. Loss of hybrid vigor, decline in fertility, reduction in performance, high rate of prenatal mortality. Question 7. State any 2 practices that may be carried out to control breeding diseases among cattle. Use of AI, embryo transplant, controlled grazing. Question 8. State 4 characteristics of a good grain store. Spacious, free from pests, easy to load and offload, clean, leak-proof. Question 9. State 4 prophylactic measures and treatment used to control livestock diseases. Quarantine, vaccination, proper feeding, slaughtering infected animals, deworming, control of vectors. Question 10. Name 4 signs of heat observed in a rabbit. Restlessness, frequent urination, swollen vulva, the door through itself on its sides, rub herself against the walls, doe try to contact other rabbits in the next hatch by peeping through the cage. Question 11. Give 4 advantages of 4-stroke engines. Produce high power, efficient in fuel and oil utilization, perform wide range of farm operation, efficiently cooled by water. Question 12. State 4 advantages of artificial calf rearing in dairy cattle management. Easy to keep accurate record of milk yield, easy to regulate amount of milk taken by the calf, easy to maintain high standards of sanitation, farmer sell more milk, hence more profit, cows produce milk even in absence of their calves. Question 13. Name any 2 advantages of flashing in ewe. Increase conception rate, increase lambing percentage, facilitate implantation of zygote. Question 14. Give 2 advantages of keeping Jersey cow instead of Friesian. Jersey is very hardy than Friesian, Jersey is fairly tolerant to high temperature than Friesian. Question 15. Name 4 properties of a good vaccine. Easy to administer, have no side effects, compatible with other vaccines, single dose produce lifelong immunity. Question 16. Give 4 characteristics of indigenous cattle. Have humps, tolerant to high temperature, tolerant to tropical diseases, long calving interval, can walk for long distance in search of pasture. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section. Also let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.